Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Base44 versus Softr and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and what should enter on which no-code app builder is more worth it for you. Base44 is an AI-powered no-code platform that enables rapid web application creation simply from natural language prompts. It provides an all-in-one integrated stack handling the database, authentication, and hosting, making it incredibly fast for prototyping and simpler web app development. Its vibe coding approach emphasizes ease of use and speed for transforming ideas into live applications. However, Base 44 offers more limited design customization and granular control over complex workflows, potentially leading to less unique aesthetics. Its rapid credit consumption on the free tier can also push users to paid plans sooner. Software, on the other hand, is a visual no-code platform that allows users to build dynamic web applications, client portals, and internal tools by connecting directly to external data sources like Airtable or Google Sheets. It features a drag and drop interface with pre-built blocks and robust user management, making it ideal for data-driven applications. A key weakness of software is its dependency on external data sources for backend functionality, which can introduce additional complexity or costs. It also has limited customization options for pre-built blocks, potentially hindering unique design requirements. Base 44 is ideal for non-technical individuals, entrepreneurs, and small teams prioritizing speed and simplicity in launching functional web applications from plain language. It suits users looking for a fully integrated AI-driven solution to quickly validate ideas or build MVPs. On the other hand, software is best for users who need to build visually appealing data-driven web applications or client portals, especially those already using Airtable or Google Sheets as their backend. And it also suits users who prioritize strong user management and clear data presentation. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.